to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another 2 DIY projects inspired for beautiful Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoy. To start with, I found this cute little flower cart from my local reject shop here in Australia. I absolutely love the shape and design of this, and I knew that I could give it Shell's touch. I started by removing the small pot at the top, and then taking some tape, I taped up the areas I wanted to cover when spray painting. Once everything was covered, I then took it outside and sprayed it my favourite blush candy pink by Rust-Oleum. Once it was completely dry, I then removed the tape. Then taking some black and white paint and a small brush, I decided I'd paint the awning of my little flower cart. I started by painting the whole awning black at first and making it easier for me to go in with the white. I then went over with the white. Now this took a few coats to cover the black, but I was happy with the result in the end. I then took these dollar store gold glitter stickers and I spelt out the word Paris. I then added a small piece of a floral foam, and taking these beautiful Kmart Australia roses, I added them into the floral foam. This was such a super cute project to create, guys, and I had so much fun, and I'm so happy with how it came.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season.
I then started on my second DIY. I decided that I was going to make a Valentine's Day inspired mailbox. I started by taking this pink dollar store gift box, as well as a piece of cardboard. I measured the cardboard to size, as this will be the roof of our mailbox. Now what I did here, guys, is I cut it so that I could glue it on the inside of the box. Now because your girl Shell wants to cover everything in sparkles, I took this Big W Australia gold glitter contact paper and I covered the cardboard. Off camera, I then glued it inside the box. I then took some of this polka dot craft paper from Spotlight, and taking a love heart that I had, I used this to trace a love heart and then cut it out.
Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in.
Once it was complete, I then hot glued it to the front of my mailbox. I then took this beautiful Valentine's Day card, and using the front of the card, I cut that out and I hot glued that to the centre of my heart. Taking some of that leftover polka dot paper, I turn this over, and what I'm creating here is a little handle for our mailbox. As a guide, basically all you need to do here is draw an L shape, so that way it would look like the little handle. Turning the box on its side, I then hot glued my little handle to my mailbox. I also took the inside of that card, guys, and cut out a love heart using the Happy Valentine's Day logo, and I glued that to the front.
So baby, we should start living now.
I then took these gold dollar store bling rhinestones and I added them around my little mailbox. I also added these beautiful gold dollar store stickers and I added them randomly over the box.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities.
Once that was complete, I then wanted to add some more little decorations to my mailbox.
Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we can stay home.
I had a little gift box of notes from TK Maxx and I used this little envelope and hot glued it to the side. I also added some dollar store angel wings.
'Cause we only
I also added these little Glam pockets that the cards came in.
cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
I added the cards and envelopes randomly where I thought they'd look nice. Up the top with the little pocket, I had an idea in mind for that as well. Now to finish off my project, my sweet friend Betsy Ann gifted me these gorgeous little stickers. I kept them for something special and I knew they'd go perfect on my little mailbox.
We can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale.
I basically just added them randomly over all sides of the box.
Ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time.
I also added some Kmart Australia stickers as well, and I used the XOXO sticker at the front. Off camera, in my little pockets, I added little candy canes for a special treat. And of course, we couldn't have a mailbox without some sweet little Valentine's cards inside. Here is one for my husband and my sweet friends on YouTube.
Baby, we should start living now.
I then added my sweet little mailbox to a candlestick, and I'm so happy with how it came. This was such a simple and fun DIY, guys, and so Valentine's Day inspired. This would make a perfect Valentine's Day entryway decor or a perfect centerpiece for your table. The possibilities are endless.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living
for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at your very own DIY Valentine's Day decor.
We can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right?
Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home.
That heartbeat. We could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't